What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram DMs on your macOS device. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So whenever you open Instagram.com, you don't see the inbox, and today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So go into preferences or click command, then go to advanced and show develop menu in menu bar. This will enable developer options which are not available to a normal user, but you don't need to do much. It does that. Then go to the develop option, then select user agent and go to iPhone or iPod touch. This will refresh the page and you'll get the inbox here. Now you can write a message to anyone, and here you go, you're ready to go, and you have Instagram DMs working on your macOS device. But wait, there's something more. Now there's gonna be someone who's saying that I don't have so much time to do all this stuff and every time to go in a develop menu. So what I did is made a tutorial for you guys to actually make an app for yourself which has the Instagram DMs as all the other apps. I really do not recommend you to getting some other app because it might take your details, do something with it, so it's highly risky to use those. It's better you make it yourself and you are guaranteed that there's not gonna be any issue unless someone actually hacks your Instagram account using the password some other way. Now I'll show you how to make the app. Open up Spotlight search and search for Automator. Then click enter and open up the app. Then open up a new document and click application. Then search for web. Then drag the get specified URLs, add the Instagram.com into the get specified URLs, and then drag the website pop-up, select medium or iPhone, user agent iPhone, and you don't need to change anything else. Now you can run the app and then save it. This will open up the Instagram app which you have made, and you can find it in your launchpad as well. So here we go. We have an Instagram app. Now you can log into this. So this was for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you didn't like this video, there's always room for improvement. Comment down below what was wrong about this video. I'll try to improve. But if you like this video, then you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. And that's me signing off. Peace out.